Today's mission is to try and find a spot in this river that we can jump across. I may have waited too long to do this video because now the grass all around the river is like really long. You got a bunch of weeds everywhere. So it might be hard to figure out a good spot. We're gonna need something with like a runway, a nice flat runway, and then a nice flat landing. And it also can't be too wide because I'm not very good and I don't want to miss the landing. And I don't want to land in the river. I don't know if this is going to be possible, but let's go ahead and look around and see if we can find anywhere. Guys, the original idea for the video has been scrapped today. Plan was to find a spot in the river that we could jump the Sur Ron, but looking at the river, it's so overgrown with like trees and brush and stuff that it's basically impossible to do without spending like days grinding down a path, which would just take too long. So right now I'm in the middle of a field, a very nice field, very beautiful field. I have the drone with me and I haven't tried filming with the drone while I'm driving the Sur Ron. So I think that's the new theme of this video. Let's see if we can pull out the drone and see how hard it is to drive and film at the same time. Here's the bike looking good. Pretty much fully kitted at this point. Probably haven't seen this, but I actually melted my drone on lava last week. All the sensors on the bottom are just boiled, and the plastic, some of the motors pretty much melted off, but surprisingly it still works. Yeah, so we're gonna have to try this again sometime when I actually charge the drone. It's only at 41% now, plus it's raining. It's raining pretty bad. Alrighty, let's land this thing. Alright guys, today did not really go as planned at all, but we got some good tests in with the drone. Next time we'll do a better job, and we'll find somewhere cool to do it in the next video. See you next time, bye!